In this project, you will learn to make MAX30100 Pulse Oximeter Web Server using NodeMCU. In our previous project, we have made an IoT-based Pulse Oximeter using NodeMCU, which values can be monitored over OLED display and Blynk IoT cloud. But in today's project, we will monitor heart rate and oxygen saturation (SpO2) parameters on ESP8266 Web Server. You can monitor those values from any device which has Wi-Fi support and browsing capabilities. To make this MAX30100 Pulse Oximeter Web Server, you will need NodeMCU board, a MAX30100 Pulse Oximeter sensor, a few jumper wires, and a breadboard. So now let's interface the MAX30100 Pulse Oximeter sensor with NodeMCU. The circuit assembly is very simple. The oximeter sensor works with I2C bus. So interface the I2C pins SCL and STA to the D1 and D2 pins of NodeMCU. Then connect the INT pin to the NodeMCU D0 pin and provide the 3.3 volt power to the VCC and connect the ground pin to the ground pin of NodeMCU. You can follow the circuit diagram to make your connection. So let's get into the programming part. So to compile the code for Pulse Oximeter Web Server, you need to install few libraries. So these are the necessary libraries files that are required to compile this program code, and you need to install either manually or you can install them from the library manager of your Arduino IDE. So this is the final code for NodeMCU based Pulse Oximeter Web Server project, and you need to replace the Wi-Fi network credentials and upload the code to your microcontroller by selecting its correct board and correct COM port. After successful upload of the program code, now it's time to test the project. Just open the serial monitor and press the RST button on NodeMCU board. Now NodeMCU will be connected to your Wi-Fi network, and then your IP address will be printed on the serial monitor. Similarly, the HTTP server will start responding. We have integrated AJAX code so that we can request the data from the server in a background without refreshing the page. You just place your finger on the sensor and it will display the values of pulse rate and oxygen level on your body. Basically, you can view these parameters on your smartphone using any of the existing web browsers. Enter the IP address as shown in the serial monitor. In my case, it's 192.168.3.16. You may have different. Now you can monitor the BPM and SpO2 values from any smartphone or PC connected to the same Wi-Fi network. These parameters are updated every second by performing the silent GET request on the server and update the parameters on the page with AJAX technology. So this is all about building MAX30100 Pulse Oximeter based web server using NodeMCU. I hope you like this short tutorial. It's me Elson signing off for today. See you soon on the next one.